Hey guys, today we're going to be doing fluency practice, information learned. This is Stephanie Perry Bradshaw. I will be helping you today. So let's look at it. What you have to do is read, guys. So you'll have a piece of information when you're doing this assignment that you have to read. The assignment will pop up, you will open it, and you will read it. Make sure you're looking at the headings and the subtitles of the assignment. Once you have read it, you have to tell me what you've learned about it. 3 things. Write 3 things you learned after reading the fluency passage. So you will start the sentence off with I learned, and you will complete it. So you have to tell me 3 things about the passage that you have read. Alright guys, see you soon.